Yeah. You don't know, see, I talk some of the represent for Talk Up TV 1. I know I represent for the big bad movie Scapegoat. I know this is a part 2. And it's very epic. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah.
Beef. Beef kat mana? Ya, gua makasih ya. Gua makasih kata ya.
Okay.
Tu iya. Tu iya.
No. You know, so they must suck me in a right. They must suck me in a right, you know. And my sister, man, I need to try for me too hard, you know.
Mana ada gua lihat TikTok. Search for ya.
Blessed is the Lord. And it's so hot. Come into my business place, dear Lord. Yes. Well, I like the first customer to come now so I make money. I don't mind that either, because so much things on my mind. It's breaking me, it's stressing me at work, and I don't want no problem for my yard to be at work, you know. God.
Yeah, man, this can't right, man. You just get up and gone, so. Yeah, man. Man, how man cuss, man, even in the morning, if they cuss, man, but he come like, babe, still, yo. No, man. Can't live, so. Can't live like a puss and dog, so, man. Eh? And the boy chop you up on yard, and now the Gillan and chop 10, and now him and feel my man up on yard, and me now miserable. Right now, I'm out, yo, you know, long more and beg babes, so, yo, God know you. And even can beg babes, nothing you, because babes not in a mood, you. Boy just come mash up man thing in a youth. Boy they just a get man vile in a youth. Yo, boy they even know in a youth. Yo, me even want to go back in a certain things in a youth. Yo, all my mad dog brother. Right now I should have go link on my virgin, you know. But right now, any of me link him, man. Right now, I give me one strap. Right now, if I go bust out the boy. Boy, yo, the boy chop you, the man. Yo, the boy really disappoint me in a youth. Eh? Boy really disappoint me in a youth. Eh? Oh God, youth. Can't believe. Eh? No, no link on my virgin in a youth. The man they are busted. Bust them on the bus people skull.
My sister said my money a dog, yo.
See, you feel say me not get under your skin. You make a sad mistake. Can look you look nice. Oh, sir. Good. Orange your lips there. Good, master God. Yeah. Wow. How we get under for your skin? By hook or crook, me buy out. I fi do it. Nah, stop until me do it. Good. On your lips there. You have a body of a goddess. Good.
Hello. You need to behave better. What kind
What
of
me I do?
style them dey?
Girl, relax, man. If you go and continue this way, you go bet you man fine now. Just relax, man. Just calm down a little. Play the role.
Play which role? Me, I can't play no role. You're my sister, man. My sister, man.
But you want your man left now. You can't go and have up on the side. Okay, give me my phone. Give me my phone.
What do you? You go mad? You psycho?
Man, you do. Let me tell you something, man. Just relax. Everything will work good. You can't do that.
Nothing can't work with your son.
Yeah, man. Look how you look now.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Me, I warn you.
Come, tap in that.
Don't.
Tap in that,
Me,
relax, man.
listen to me.
Look,
Don't
look,
me
man.
load up my mouth because you know me turn out here already. Listen to me, no, man. Listen to me. Let me tell you something. You and my sister, man. Me can't have no baby. Don't tell me for sure.
You're too pretty for your argument. Relax, man. Look, you know.
Stop. You want me to go call my sister out there for you? Me go call her, you know, because you know some we beat, you know. Listen to me.
Oh,
man.
so relax,
Me
man.
can't have no business. You hear me, I tell you?
What I do this?
You come like you have some pervert or something. What wrong with you? You mad? Don't make it happen again. They'll say, now go like me.
What is? She can't wine to you, know.
Yes.
Oi.
How are you out of this a while ago?
Anybody know what you?
Some wake up on here talking.
How people on the road that pass and attack?
No, that's not like my sister voice. Are you and my sister me here out here? You can't tell me nothing.
Oh. She that talk to she go shop go buy something and come back. And that you hear.
And that me here.
What that she say?
Listen, me they sleep but me not fool and that me here.
Oi, and you just wake up, man. You know, see you got that little dizziness, so you're not too here well.
You know, me just take what you say.
So you're planning to look about for breakfast?
Me not even reach out there go though. You ask me about breakfast and me just wake.
But you not look about, you know, when everything settle down.
Me no want nothing right now. Just look about something for yourself. Me a grown your mother because me not need to talk about something.
Simple thing that, man. No problem in that.
So me will get ready and do what me have to do.
Just call when I reach, yeah?
What that mother gonna shop gonna do?
She just tell me say she gonna shop, I don't know what she gonna do.
I must breakfast she go back cause
You can't, but she wants something for herself.
if you have money. Most of money.
You know, you must know. I go and go to your things.
Alright, then I come over here so I'll get ready for growing your mother. Yeah?
Yeah. Once I got tough, I bet me get catch. Cause I now got pretty.
Sleep, bro.
Can I get some cup, please?
Yeah. Look, not too long in a show like, nah, man. I want to be like get high.
So I know that. I know that already never tell me that.
Here?
Me and the same thing, you know, because I live in a bathroom.
Come on, big case and go on, man. One case. And then when the sister come back, I'm alone there.
Sorry.
Yeah, man.
Yo, father, why you deal with me, father?
Where I deal with father?
Then I'm a general. Right now, I want like a sticky situation in my general. Yeah.
Well, I five there. So where you say I go on?
Right now, father, I have one little can. Father, more help my machine, but right now, more want a tool in my general.
Oh, yes, you want me help your machine or you want machine?
No, man, me, we machine crime general, but you don't know. Yeah, I tool boss, you see me? So I can link you for one of the special, I not for big man, one of the little one, you see me?
Yo, my friend. That help you still, but yo, them tool and just come so, you know.
Brother, just cool, man, I want a simple thing, man. I want a little boy, man, can left condom in my vehicle, brother. Me and my woman can't live in peace, brother. And him and the woman up my yard, they chop 10, brother. And them thing they are bust, man, go bust out in head right now,
Like
cousin.
them thing they mash up life business.
Brother, I'm not tell her, man, you know how long me now got my woman and kiss my woman.
Yo, brother, I like them thing there, you know.
Brother, just give me one of the tool.
Yo,
brother.
on a big man level still, my friend. You wanna ask here with me, you know,
Brother,
but
just send on the man, cause right
yo, hold
now.
on, hold on. Me not too. Yo, you know, so me not like them thing there. How we nigga?
Brother, you don't know chop lad, my lad. You don't know chop lad. Eh?
Chop lad.
Yeah, my virgin chop lad, but me and him flick all the while.
Hold on there. Hey, same chop lad you run up and down, man, and pitch marble, man.
I mean, man.
And build box chop, brother.
I mean, brother.
You can't do them thing, them, my friend.
You know, that's why
You see
man
me?
shouldn't do me that, my friend.
No, brother, yo, believe me, man. Yo, I right thing me I tell you, my friend. Yo, you can't hurt your friend, brother. Probably when you go and go sleep, you will realize that yo, when you wake up,
Everything
man,
good
you
still, man. I said,
Yo,
I may get myself in this. May get myself out of
Alright,
this.
get
You see me?
yourself out. You see me?
See, I heard, man.
John no star. Yo, them youngsters, you know what them youngsters, you know.
I remember saying I drive all bus to go.
Oh, let me tell my sister. I feel like I tell her, you know, because I don't want me and her fall out, you know. I feel like I tell her. I'm going to tell her, you know. I'm going to tell her because I don't know what kind of something them here and why not the best. I have to tell her.
But watch ya, you know, get up and look about something to eat.
I'm not going to look about this, man.
What you mean by when me can get up and look about something when I long in the bed?
Or about that?
Now listen, me talk. Before I come back, make sure say the bed spread up because I'm not there for any foolishness. I don't like to dirty
Big house
place.
spread.
Make sure.
So like when I go to mother and she does you for a long while, spend some time with her.
So
So she
who
don't
did
get
tell,
to you.
so who did tell us I'm not going to spend time with her?
Who's
Did
that
I
tell
say
you?
that? Okay. Not because I always come back fast and go around there. I'm going to spend a little time with her. A long time in the year. I don't need to talk about some serious stuff. You don't even know what you're talking
No,
about though.
means we don't want that.
Woman stuff that.
Yeah.
Yes. But babe,
Yeah.
what I mean to ask you feel comfortable with my sister there? Just waist long up for the one I want.
She not there long.
I know she not there long, but me I say, if I feel comfortable, if not, you just make me know.
Long as you not keep up my space in here, right?
She there in your space or
No, you don't have my space now.
Okay, just make sure.
No, actually.
And I better come tell me this and then we don't want time I have an argument, you'll cuss and chat, but oh, me must make your sister stay.
No, me not do that, man. Me not do that.
Make sure, come not there on with you.
No, me not do that. You know me see it, me not do that. We have focus on different something.
Yeah, focus on different something. Okay.
That-
Well,
This one, you wake.
morning, we are going with rum in our hands. We breakfast and we wake up and we go by.
She don't even know much things upon my brain.
So me, if you tell me to go up on the road and buy a breakfast, and rum come back here with? Ask you a question. Rum can full belly?
Just calm down, no man.
No, don't tell me if you not calm down. I ask you if rum can full belly.
You can't fool my belly.
Full your belly, so you self alone and cater for.
You won't even understand. But we go have one drink. I even want to talk to you about something.
I could have what you want to talk about, so. Up on the road, me there going about already. Then come on, me not stay too long though, cause me need to go get to me and get done. Me soon come. So what is something to eat, man?
So then me you like a rum, man. You could give me some rum.
Come on, hurry up.
So I can't hurry, so where I run go? Okay, they hurry, so.
Go. Listen to me now. Me have something to say to you. Me don't know if I want me go first or you go first.
Make me go first.
No man, me go first. Wait. Listen to me now. You see, me man, I'm having this so. Me don't want it too close. You see me? Listen now, and I'm not about no trust now. Me just don't want it no close. Because I'm a person like this, me not trust nobody around me, man. I could even my mother and my sister, me no business. Me not trust no female.
Close with them, man.
Me never say you're close with me, man. Me just tell you, me don't want you close to my man. Me never say you're close to him, you know. You see me? Me don't want you close to him, you know. If you not fit talk, you not talk. You see me? Okay.
Right.
That's all me have to say. So, where you say you have to tell me now? Where you say you have to tell me?
Just want to say, thanks for taking me. I respect you for that. And some kind if I never you know, me don't know me that go how me that turn to.
Yeah man, that's at least. So wait there, are this a camera runner for?
Yeah.
I could have said that in there, so man, the camera runner, so if you talk to me about this, if you tell me thanks, I could have said it in there, so, and I'm me alone, so I take a night 2 hours, come together and say, alright then, because me alone, if I did me alone, it couldn't work.
Yeah, me know, but a long time me not sit down, like, me alone and have a reason or so. That's why me.
So that alone you don't answer, right?
So what you going to know?
Me I go up on me mother-in-law. Me and her go talk about something.
Alright, so you say you not take a drink?
Me no want to run, me no want to go up on the lady and then me move go think a room. And worse, me not eat nothing for a man. Me no want to feel bad for anyway. But me go to me get some tea or something. Me know she always have there something there.
Alright, so me have my drink and when I come back you can.
When me come back, me don't think me go want to run, you can drink. Or give some kind of access for something. No, matter of fact, not give them. As me say, me no want you close to my man. Right?
Yeah.
Alright. I can promise. Later. You can, if not real, you can stay safe. Rain and father come in your yourself.
Alright.
No go in a house. But if you come here, tell him say you want some peace. You don't want him around you.
God. I'm go see this story.
Babes,
Eh?
I'm gonna leave out now, you know.
Alright. Oh, it's your phone now. It's your phone.
You just alright. I think I look a hug, not looking up, but it's alright.
Yeah, give you woman on your phone.
No, but you think about alright. You should have come hug me and come and chat about
Come on, go
alright.
when you put on the shoes.
No, if you can't stand up and wait. Wait till me done. So give me the hug.
Just have a drink, yeah, man. See you. This not right at all, you. This not right at all.
Alright, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Later.
Yeah.
No message you want me to give my mother for you?
No, I'm going to look for you myself.
Alright, bye.
Some way me have to make she know. Say her man a look me and I know me they look her man.
He man fi give me my tip, me just go race you out in a boy head in a youth. Yo. Understand what I must say still, you know. Friend killer thing not to work, you know. But yo, God know you. Yo. What me really go wrong? Yo, God know you. Babes just insist to come in a vehicle because know say condom in a bus. Me know say me have no condom, me I don't know idiot. Chop lad, yo, God know you. Chop lad I say no him. Hold on. Grown I car wash too, you know. Hold on there. The girl who vacuum me boss. Hold on. One of that same girl there. When come a babe's birthday party, man. One of babe's best friend, man. Yo. I wonder if that girl here try set me up though. Hey, yo, me a grown there right now. It's the clicking on my brain in a youth. Cause chop lad, uno do me that as a virgin. Cause most of girl that, yo, but grown, yo. Yo, man, girl they try mash up my life, you know. Most of girl they put in there. Half of that girl they put in there.
Walk there and knock him back.
Yo. That way shit.
So somebody you look like say you come from beach. Be your son in a this on the house carpet. Who there? Done with it, still it a firm, you know? Get out everything.
Oh, what you say? Hello?
Yeah, man, I saw me there one more vehicle.
You say that one more vehicle?
Yeah, right.
My
right.
girl, what kind of style that? Yo, a box man for box tongue. Yo, my girl, me know see a long time you try look me, you know, from you come on my woman party, you know.
I fly
My
now,
girl,
I fly there, take you.
my girl, what kind of style that? You vacuum my bus and put condom in my bus.
Oh,
Eh?
I saw when you no go pa, you no little
My
dirty
girl,
words.
but-
I catch
yo,
you, catch.
me know see a long time you look me, you know.
With him at who want you?
Eh?
You're lucky, say my friend, sorry for you and there with you.
My
'Cause
girl.
me no know who want you.
My girl,
friend alone
what kind of
want
style
you.
that? What kind of style
What
that?
kind of style what? Oh,
Eh?
you see me put condom in your bus? Say come over my workplace, they come
Eh?
fly up on me like you're a young chicken. Now where you take this thing for?
I want
Eh?
to tell my girl, that's why you can't have no man, and that's why every man run gone
I
left you.
choose for the have no man because none of you no loyal. You
Hey,
look how
my
much
girl,
woman you want to do
my
things
girl.
with one time.
I saw
Eh?
no stay, you know.
Well, a
Anytime
6
you
to
see
8
good
condom you
man,
have.
you alone want them.
Hello,
eh?
me
And
come
that's
in
how
your
you can't get
piece of bus come see you with
Hey.
your umachin condom them. Let me tell you that.
You go in on my bus go
you
see
ain't
condom.
go do Keisha, then you go a Paulette, then you go a Suzette, then you go a
Oh.
Sharon. I saw you when they go along down
I
the
saw you
lane.
call me woman and tell her.
Me call
I
you
saw you
woman
call
and
me-
tell you. You know what you do.
Talk it truth
I
where
fear
God
them,
love.
I
Talk
fear
it truth
them.
where God love. Talk it truth where God love.
I truth where God love me, I thought me come
Yeah.
in your bus and me come see condom them and me make sure so me tell my good body friend cause she not give you no bun. So me have all rights because me
Okay.
a protect my friend. Move yourself and go.
Okay, so I know
Out
you
to
put
no
them
liar,
there. I
like
know
you
you
no
put
use
them there.
condom. Excuse
But
me.
are you an informer though?
Excuse me.
Well, I
was
know.
working.
Mind what you do, you know.
Informer way, me only talk the
I know you
truth.
put them there, but are you an informer? So that means say, well, a chap lad put them in there
Chap lad
then.
put them in there so when you no do things you no want
Okay.
call people name and blame it on people. Excuse
Okay.
me think you there. And I bring
Sleep
back
on
your
the
piece of
same
vehicle
side
come
where
to
you
me.
sleep on last
Let
night.
me tell you something.
You hear?
You see
You
my
hear me, I
job,
warn you?
my boss tell me to write down every item and me go in a vehicle.
That means
Go
you're a
see.
chap
That's when
lad.
me done work. If not, miss me give a
Don't worry
call.
yourself. I know say you are the
Your phone
informer.
call alone, me make up on you too.
Chap lad left them in there, but you are the informer. You make the phone call. See you, me can't get nothing from you, man. You man vex up with me.
And I see a man
See
here,
you,
man who do I have in
See
front of
you.
you where they give problem. If I
See
me,
you on your mouth. You
if I
see
me
people
like my
business.
friend, chop
People
it off.
business, leave it alone. And people like Uno, they find a road dead.
Sick condom and people, woman, I leave it alone. You have your good, nice woman. I they walk around with too much in condom. A stamina in your body, so. Eh? Stamina in your body. Look for you too. You're so a prostate. Walk too much. I every minute you walk around with condom. I mean, if you tell my friend, me, if you tell her. So, that's why me stay with myself and no one no man because I'm not loyal. Wait till me tell me friend. Wait till me tell me friend send me over here for me nice clean work and he come attack me. Mad fi fight me. But see me put condom and he no say me see it in there.
And I tell her, I go and tell my friend I want next dose that fear. If my friend beat her, if you get beaten again. Lucky. All my mouth, you see me look like a fridge. I'm done with this.
Mommy, what going? Are you miss me just there come look for you know? So what going alright everything?
Yeah, me alright. I'm just come from a shop.
Oh, shop you come from?
Yeah.
So how life and everything?
Alright. Alright.
A long time I say I come down there come look for you, but I call me up sir. Then I house and busy and one bag of
So you
stuff.
have to go see my daughter.
Get
Say
caught
what?
up. So, you know more talk to you about something do?
Can't talk to me about anything.
Yeah. You want to sit down because you look tired, you know?
Yeah, you can't
Sit down on the higher part right there, so.
Alright.
Yeah, sit down. What I did want to ask you, your son did come round, that a chopping, did come round your yard day before yesterday?
That you remember, cause the whole brain I get.
Did he come round there?
Yesterday. I don't even sure.
So lie my tell then.
I don't think I lie my telling about my brain, so work good nowadays, cause the whole brain I get so old now. I think he corona, man. I think he corona, man.
You sure?
Yeah, man. I think he corona.
Yeah, no. I go over yard, go do. You only can see a free if you go free your mind on one part. Get rid of moms off of your mind, just free your mind. Man and man, that I mean, man. Why not bar and go chop somewhere, right, you know?
Wow. So you look so. You look so.
Listen to me. You can't just go back on this, so you see me there, so me there enjoy my peace. Just leave me alone, go on and leave me alone.
So you man call you? Must you say?
Listen
Because
to
the way
me,
you look
man.
at me, I have to ask.
No man can't stress me. Just go on and leave me alone, please. Just let me be.
Relax yourself, man. Thank you. You look
Stop front touch me.
nice. Relax, sir. Let you see you too nice. You happy up yourself, so. You really do look nice. You look nice, sir. So where you go? Eh? It's easy to get in Look here, man. Look here. Look here. Oh, relax now, relax now.
Leave
Relax, sir.
me alone.
So why you move every minute? So you move for? Something wrong? Look here, man. Look here. You don't need to move. This is what me have to say. Sorry if you
Hey,
said
me didn't know say you're mad enough, but now you convince me say you're mad enough. Hello, listen to me. Me tell you this for now. My sister just warned me about you, know. My sister just warned me about you. Just warned me about you. Leave me alone, let me enjoy my peace now. You're the down there, so. Me and you the down there, so. Me left for down there, so come up there, so just avoid. Now tell me about Frida.
Listen up. Listen up. Listen up, man.
Man, excuse me.
Nobody watch that. Nobody watch your sister. Anything you want, me can give it to you. Look at the money you want.
Me not
release
short
that.
of money.
Oh, listen. Oi, you hear me? We can fulfill the need. We can rent your place and just take care of you. So anything you want, me give it to you. And not for about nothing again. You're well comfortable, you're alright. Look here, no. We can't do that for you, no. Look here, no. So what's the problem? You don't want it?
Jada.
Better me making turn out this man. You know, if you can knock himself, I can see what this.
Other day they tell me about your knee or hurt you or something like that. How you feel now?
It not feel so bad. But the pain come right up in your so I go to doctor for then give me something for it, but it don't make no sense.
So they never
and then give me pill to one. They not to tell me how. Then send no arthritis to that.
So-
Because the pain move from one place to the other. So I don't know what they must say.
So why you don't want X-ray or something for your foot? Because you don't know how serious it be now. Them doctor nowadays they not tell you when time something goes up.
Me tired to go hospital because when you go hospital at 5 o'clock before day, you get through all 9 o'clock in the night.
You know if you go hospital, go private doctor and do want X-ray for your foot.
Sometimes my money, me not to want spend the money to that because I have different things to do with the money.
Me I forgot talk to Chap about it because him there understand no know where you he come like him no know where you go through. Cause if him claim he say he can't look for you. So you don't tell him about your foot.
Sometimes I don't want to worry my son about them. I want him to be happy. I don't put on burden for me picking them, yeah, man. And I give them something for my time. I don't want to stress me picking them.
I no stress, but if you say you get in an age, you know, your foot a hurt you on certain things. You have to talk. If you not talk, nobody not gonna know. You're not gonna know if you put burden upon him or stress. If you not have him, mother still say not have it. But if you have it and he can't help. If me can't help, we will help you see him way.
Oh, that's true. I should not tell him about it, but me not depend on picking so much because I always want to give them every day. And I like to see me picking them. And I like to can give them something I like take from them.
You see, like how I know now, me and him go sit down and discuss it and talk about it because you need to get it checked out. Me just make you go home because you have far to walk go. Alright. So, come on. Next time me we catch up and we there talk about.
Alright.
You just walk a second. Me I just walk for you.
18 play 0. Play one of my number then. 6 and 34. It come like me now win no money for bet for jackpot. Me roll him a roll. 12. Hey, bartender, you sure say them box and a chop already? Me roll the box now roll, my friend. 20. Sick at that, you know. Also made mad in idea, you know. Me have to buy number 20, you know. And a 12 in play. Sick head. What I tell you, say mankind no easy still in a youth. All I know when me feel they do my business in a part, yo. Running and a mad me and mad out in a year. I just say I got sometime.
Jada.
Don't call me name. Why my sister come and pull the door?
Pull the door, man.
Watch me even lock a door here.
Where that not the house for?
Why?
Eh? My sister there, me here.
Man try everything to walk you out there still. What wrong with you?
Look here now. Look here now. Relax, man. Relax.
No tell me about to relax.
Come here. Come here now. Stop acting up yourself now. Just relax. Here. Tell us something. Try that. Try that. You know you like it, but I'm going to tell you one more time. Come.
Stop.
Come now. You know you like it. Come now. Relax, man.
Stop,
that's
me now. Listen to me now, man. Listen to me now. Stop. Don't get me dark in here. Don't get me dark in here. May I tell you?
Let me tell you something.
Stop.
Come here. Say like that. Like I'm play with the ears. Come here.
But I can't do this, yo. Excuse me now, man.
Why?
You're my sister, man. You don't understand.
Double the price. Double it.
So you want it?
Money the same place.
I'm gonna deal with double. Double a little bit of money.
Alright.
I'm gonna deal with a little bit of money.
You put more upon that. So me give you half now.
I'm gonna deal with half either.
Listen now. Me have no half now. Me have to go back and jar the rest. Don't make your sister know. Alright
Let's
with
use
that.
fine for time.
Okay. Good.
Stop now. You can't let touch me this so.
Why? What do you say that?
God is good all the time. Woo. Oh, God. Hey there, what up there, look at me. What up? You know about God?
Yeah, me know about God awa.
Oh, God. I tell you, God love you, you know.
Yeah, me know
loves you.
God love me and God love you too.
God
So
love
come
you to him
hurp on.
heart.
Sir,
Just
me
like
have...
how me love you to my heart.
How you say to me? Listen now. Listen to me. And listen to me good. Sir, me have somewhere to go.
Hello, yes.
Me have somewhere to go.
Yes.
If I got there talk about God and make me go on.
It's when God work. God make Adam, he make Eve. I'm seal. I'm
Take
say,
me back to
yo,
the basic.
it's a match. Tell her,
What match?
you see everything.
No, me ask her what match.
Me see everything.
Me ask you a question, what is the match?
Everything me see.
You see you not see everything, no say that.
I prophesy future, girl. Look.
Sir, listen to me now. Me have a man. I'm not depend this with no man. Me no company rough.
You have a man?
Me have a man.
You're married?
Yes.
Good. You're married for you?
Me married, not because you not see the ring on my finger. I did a yard. Cause me did a wash something. Me figure put on the camera run out of the house. To go and deal with something.
I'm gonna tell her this. You hear me, I say?
So man. Talk no further hold a peace.
I have been a Christian for a while now. And see when I see what
Christian
God
and
has chosen for me, I know.
You look mad.
Who look mad?
You look mad.
Who look mad?
You look mad.
Don't rebuke you.
You know what? Goodbye.
Like you,
Listen to me. You mean by like and rebuke?
Don't rebuke you.
You better move the Bible there, here. Come on, run. Listen me.
One, I can buck you up again, I say. Wait till me start making money. My colleague you have and I reach out. Are you? When you see me I drive fast and I count and you gotta just come on foot, man. I'm just.
Never caught Falan right now. Butter and bread. I you know what to? Me a tell Falan what happened, but me a other hand back sitting on it too. Boy, you can't tell like for me, but me put condom in your bus, you know. So they went in there. You know too bad a road. And say I'm a friend. You come like say things they get hot a yard too. Yeah, if it hot up there, you know, and keep on something in on the pants.
So much leaf come from? Could me never under the door them blow coming on? I have to somebody. Acha? Phone a ring, I'm not even see it. See the hello, see the man me have to put my phone for vibrate, not even hear it a ring. What?
One piece of excitement. Girl, my blood they boil, my friend. I show you not even know. Look most boss fire me today, no? What? Me say, Falan, your man come over here just a while ago as a matter of fact. Up in my face, the most weird.
Up in your face, I do I'm a blackhead?
Put condom in a import Falan, God Falan after me see them in there. The man see me put condom in a import and he up in my face and they talk about say,
Me believe you more than him. Me believe you more than him.
He come fi pay me fi keep me mouth and when he see say me decide say me not take no money from him.
He want pay your fee talk and he don't want give me no money when me want you and tell me say.
Because me no want him same one come blackmail me. You know say. One night friend here chop log. One day chop log put in the look like say.
Me know that friend there, you know. A lie you want tell upon him. Lie you want tell upon him, you hear me? A him.
Yeah, because he look like them up and that in use that see him and fi chop log. You know, so me go let him
Alright, I'm gonna deal with it in case I hear. And make sure say anything drop, you just tell me. As a pan knock. You call me. You must forgot change car wash because you not stop tell me things them, you know. Me don't want you to stop tell me either, you know.
You know me not tell you no lie. In them me see them and in them me take a picture. Me now walk a clinic for they have condom and a car wash. Me walk on a health center. He lucky must know where I come from. Keeping something in him pants.
This is a relationship because the anchor job.
You know what?
Anchor job.
Me I go get back to work and Fallon. Don't done it and beat him.
Later.
You Mr. Mighty, you Mr. Flirty. You love flirt, so. And you love laughing, you know.
Hello.
We answer the phone and people say hello.
Yes, me say hello, if phone name pick up babes and me just pick up the phone. What happened?
You always have an excuse.
150 times. Eh? I most good luck you call me about it. I most good luck you call. Eh?
Meet me round at the yard.
So what you want meet me around the yard for?
Just meet me round me there work. Me don't want you pick me up or anything. You bring me come to work? No. See and I see where me go, I see where me I come, okay?
Babes, you come like I suck me a want, man, cause a long time you don't get it, man.
Yeah, No, nobody go right this right now.
Alright, me a forward.
Come like some dead banana tree.
No, man, he live, man, in living colors. Yes, man. No. Yeah, yes, babes, I'm coming right now. Right now, I'm coming, right now. Alright. Chan was star as babes, call me 150 times, you know, man.
Me ready. Me ready and I gone, me gone. Ready. Can't you make money in a piece of time? I'm $1,000 me did lend him when time he never have me want it back. Me want back me $1,000. I don't care if you give me millions, want back my $1,000. Sacrifice that day.
Grow on a yard right now. Cash out that ticket for me. Grow on a yard. So wait for me because I don't want too late, you know.
Me not change, sir.
You know no change. What you say? So me have to grow and come back.
Yeah, you have to go and come back. So me not change.
Alright, give me a ticket and I go on and come back.
Go and come back.
Alright, yeah?
Oh, go on this up. Open the door, no man. Oi! Go on. Go on, place, lock up, go on. Yo, come. The man they in there too. So how the house lock up and him there in there? Girl, rain there. I want keep man, I want go on in this. Yo! Oi! Get up. Where the bed? Roll up me next house. I spread my bed before me come back.
So what have you, sir?
Where me and behave, so? Me come across here, my sister lock up in the house. Me know some chat here before me left her this morning.
Girl, bring that far. Bring that far. What me feel stop from being like in our sense, so girl.
Me talk to you
Oi!
this morning.
Tell me about for sure.
Ah, don't chat to me, man, so. Don't chat to no, listen to me now, man. Listen to me now.
Listen me now.
Brittany, stop
Yeah,
being
listen me
here.
now.
No, I will come back on here with no shirt on.
Brittany.
Bed no spread from morning.
Listen,
But me have to eat from morning.
Yes.
Yes. Bed no spread from morning though. Not true.
But
They
you
look
sleep
out
on
for
the
your
bed.
belly, but you don't look out for the place. You's a nasty man and you're a nasty place. Ah, you are next one too.
Girl, why you left me? Why you left me?
Me left you out, that's I'm
Exactly.
should have
When the
gone.
rain fall and then time me come in and
Can't-
go.
Can't cuss in a woman.
Me say if rain a fall, you stay in the
Listen me now.
unfinished
Can't cuss in
building.
a woman.
Me talking wait no man. Me tell you
Listen
when
me,
rain a
sir.
fall,
Are you the
you
sister
stay
now?
in the unfinished what? The building. I didn't say when me tell you say no come near me man. I that me tell her say
What
yes.
up on the ground me then? And she
Me
up
not-
on the bed.
I'm
Why me
not
up on the
gonna
bed and
do
she
that.
up on it?
So
You
you
don't
root up
come
the
see
bed.
him on the ground.
So you root up the bed then. And you root up the
Brittany,
bed.
your sister, you can't deal
You
with
look
the
say
sister,
me.
so.
Listen
What
man.
can you can't deal with the sister? So
Me no want
Your
about
bed
to
never spread up either ways, girl. Your bed never spread up.
Don't come give me no attitude. Come and run you out.
Oh, where
That's
you
Brittany.
your sister that?
Where me back
Brittany.
with
We
sister
can't put the
that?
sister up on the street.
Me and your sister. Why me not do something like that, girl?
Listen, me not talk about that. Me don't tell her one thing and
Brittany.
a one thing me
All the hell
mean.
if you
But you
sister
bring
out
it
there,
rain
oh.
and fall.
Where am I go?
Listen up, man, what you doing? Don't hold on for me and drink. You know, so my head mad. Don't play with me. Don't play
Relax
with
now.
me. I don't want to call short off me for this year by yourself.
Because you're running the sister, where you gonna put her?
When me say to you, when me a
Oi.
talk, you a talk. No in my place, girl. No do that. Don't try that with me, man. Don't do that.
One of this one.
Don't run upon me.
Oi, one of this one. Alright.
Yeah, I'll move slow.
Look here, look here.
Wait,
Why you want to put your sister outside?
listen,
Why
man.
you behave this way? You shouldn't behave this way.
What I mean by me not for BS, I'm tell the girl one thing before me. Me say, listen, me not want you near my man. Me not trust no
Hello, buddy, girl. Come
Let me
on,
say
come on,
something.
come on,
you-
bed, Brittany.
Me say me not trust no girl around my man and I done it done. That's what I said. When me say what me mean, me don't talk. I could have been my mother, I could have been my granny. Me not trust him around my man.
Relax.
No,
Me not do them. You know me not do them thing there.
me don't know that. I'm man and him. Me not swear for no
Oi,
man. Listen to me.
Stop being nice. I mean, listen to me. You chat too much. You chat too much now.
Me not business where I want. Me don't tell the girl want something already. I want something me mean.
Brittany.
Me not spitting on my eyes, trying to do that.
Most of me should have given into this, you know. I got too hard. I got too hard. Me should have given into this, you know.
Yeah, put up the sister.
Right. I can't look too suspicious.
Imagine if you go on somebody, a person.
Okay.
I do not. Sis, listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me.
Listen to
Me
you.
don't even have time to see your man. Like, why me da look for your man? Like, me and your sister, girl. Me and your sister. Blood to that. You understand? What me coulda ever do with your man? You notice you come to go sleep on the floor?
Well, that me I tell her.
So me say something to your mom. Me did say your name down here, do not me never say that. Me only
But
tell
I
her
say
say,
you want to make you look, Brittany.
me tell no me tell her something the race vice thing now go work in here, mom. Me tell her that already. And me don't talk. When me and sister talk, don't come in there. Me not talk. Have a your time now.
Listen, me sorry.
When
me
I your
sorry, but
turn to
listen
talk,
now.
you talk.
Me sorry, but listen up. The rain the fall, Brittany. The rain the fall. Oh, you want 15 and you want
unfinished-
for this. Rain can't easily blow in, girl. You
Blow
understand? Suppose the rain fall and I want feel like I want cold. You don't want to sleep. Now that my condo.
A table is in there.
Oh, no.
Did I really choose to put my pants
can't
in?
put
Let
this
me and
up.
your
Hush.
sister say you put one over me.
Oi, shh.
Lord much? In a me house?
Oi, relax.
Girl,
Oi, calm down.
Me not tell her
Why you don't put the sister orders in the unfinished house? Pan a
Me
table.
never say she go sleep out there. She stay there until me come.
Yes, some more better.
Yes, more better with door lock. You see, if me did come and the door never lock, no, Moon have to say nothing too
So why
strong.
you would have to
Alright, look here now.
If me and your sister, me and your
Oh, tap it eyes
sister.
up.
Oh, Mrs. Sister,
Don't
sister
talk to
man
me, so.
already.
Tap it eyes. Really, this is what me I say.
This is what you have to say, what you have to say, talk.
Treat the sister better.
Talk.
Okay, no.
Talk, no man.
Treat the sister better, man. And stop.
Me I treat her
like a
in a way.
stranger.
Me not treat her like no stranger. She's acting like a stranger.
But
So
the
why
way you
not
talk,
treating her?
yeah,
Oh, me
Nothing
act
change.
like a stranger, Brittany. Me didn't
Oi,
have to
when me
explain
talk, you tap me
something
nice.
to you. And you not listen.
Oi, tap it eyes.
Don't talk to me, so.
Ma'am. Me not big girl. Not where you do. Where you hold on, palm. If I feel like
Where you
me a
hold on,
bully,
so
me I talk to her. Me can't go to my sister and chat to her.
Alright.
And you a take back like you're afraid of me.
Listen up. What me afraid of you for?
You come and go and me a bull buck and the pick and
What me
carry.
afraid of? Listen to me. Me your sister. We're not
Some
supposed
men know
to
that.
live so. You understand? Girl.
Yes, we're not
We
supposed
understand.
to. We are sister. We're not supposed to live. So
So
you're not
we
supposed
can't talk to.
You're not fit around me, man. We are sister. That. Me talk to you about
we
that.
are there, well, we live here, so me have to go around in somewhere, oh, yourself, you not close up to your man, me not close up to your man for a morning, girl, me not want your man.
I want you to
never look on your man.
I want you to talk. I want you to talk. No girl mouth nothing older than mine, in my own place, and me don't talk.
So, me have one mother, one father, go make me cause the man, you style me as girl, you know what, everything good.
Fuck you.
Everything good.
No, go on.
Brittany.
Go on. See the one that up in.
Brittany, really?
Watch ya.
Brittany.
Give me suitcase, can come like say you eat it. Can you eat it?
What I mean by idiot girl? If me and your sister, me I explain something.
No,
You
so
want put
wait.
your man over me? Me I explain something. Why me I look on your man?
Still low. Listen up. Me not chat about no
You
look
don't
for
expect me
man.
go get loud if you not listen to me. Me go get loud if you not listen to me.
Look calm down, man. I fix things.
So me I try to do this
Don't
a
have to
girl
shout.
No, she a shout, so me a shout.
No, just calm down,
Because
man.
me not want she louder than me.
No, look here, no, sister.
Me not want she louder than me in my place.
I'm fix. Go no, fix. Go no, for your show.
You look me talk too fiery. Fire like me talk to you about them like a dirty style. They come like say you can't change it.
Brittany.
More than your man can't
Listen to me now.
agree. And that's why me know say you are the problem. Me not fi ask.
Me are the problem. Me are the problem. Me are the problem in a what?
Lord,
Brittany, listen to me
no,
now. Listen to me now.
Put back his suitcase over this one. Me don't talk with you. Put back his suitcase over this one. You come like you not enough brain. Me I still talk to you about something. You get up and pack suitcase.
But you not listen to me. You not listen to me. All this time me as girl.
Let me say something to you. Don't
Brittany,
make
from me a little bit on the girl. You never call me girl yet. And I just start meet this a little
Oi.
yeah, so.
Watch your
You
mouth.
call me as girl.
Watch your mouth. Listen up. So if I did take up a suitcase and go out the road, which way you would I go?
Where you worry about that? When I find somewhere go.
Oh, so can you could have find somewhere go where you come here in the first place? Who want to know that?
Because me and your sister, and me come on my sister foot. You should have then listen to me, girl. Me done never put no man over you. You notice me left the boy yard and your yard me come. Me not put no boy over you.
So why you still out, mama?
Because you talk on the reason like you not meds where you say you just a talk. Brittany may never usually leave say go make because the one man may fall out, girl.
Me done with the argument with you here. Me not go argue with you, me don't talk. Me something say already and me don't talk. Make this be the first and the last, me see this. Me not, listen now.
You didn't see anything?
Me say around my man. Make this be the first and the last.
What
If
me
me
then
left
know?
her out there so,
Where am I
just
at
stay
now?
out
What me
there
then
so.
know?
If me left her in there so and left him out there so, he'll stay out there so and she stay in there so. You not fit in a fear space and she not fit in a your space. Not because all of us sleep on the one bed, me so ship your ground. Or me ship your ground. Me don't know but somebody will go ground.
So
And me
you
don't
know if you
talk. Yeah, go ahead, me now get a sheet and pillar down there. I want
A
to
ground. I mean your sister blood.
so
Same mother, same father.
So one time me man want to wrap up a night. Me gonna make you intervene.
Me not talk about intervene, but you more
with
people.
you. Me don't talk with you. You spread up your bed. Me will cool
Me
off
go.
the ring. You want come? Go on. You go so and me go so. Spread up your bed. Too big and nasty and lazy.
Nervous. The spirit of God said, you're working. This Jesus is that me not get catch.
Watch out. Babes need even reach yet and I come bad me up and I call me to come round. Where babes could have there? I'm going to go and wait for her, say, because I don't know what kind of cussing mood I'm going for this morning. Don't call me upon that, the temper there now, say for meeting around there. You know. Hope I sitting good enough, because right now, I know to God say you want my condom them. I know to God. I'm not sure I want to see it. Watch out. Just a come. Sure some good news you have to tell me in idea.
Yes, you sit down.
Sure some nice news you have to tell me in idea, you know.
Which nice news?
Where you get up just gone, so me get up, me no see you in a bed, me no see you in a yard. Where the babes?
Yeah, where you good at people then carry wear workplace because this terrible girl for?
Chop, babes. Who tell her that?
Oh, you should take, you have to PR
Who tell her that, babes? Who tell her that?
True.
Hold on.
How much money you PR?
Oh, you hear that?
Wait, how much money you PR?
Babes, me have to go down and car wash anyway because
I can't look at savings, you take a
two
PR
little
now.
place me go.
Come here alone and save.
Babes, at school no man, don't make you deal with me, so you know say me love you already, you know. I mean, man.
Come on, you know what you're going to do? You're going to take out your clothes then.
Babes, what is for now?
You're going to take out your clothes then?
Babes,
You know, what happened? What wrong with that?
take out my clothes, what is for now?
What do you mean what is for?
Babes, me not treat her right.
No!
The condom what you see in her boss is not mine.
You don't want to hear about them bubble there now. Take out your clothes them. You don't want to take them out?
Yes, remember say me not know if it go.
Go on orphanage and then our old age home. Them a take big people like you. Or go in your vaccine. Use it for the new RV of Jamaica. Come take them out. You don't want to go.
Babes, you can't
Go on.
hurt me. You can't hurt me.
Go on.
You can't go somewhere.
Come.
Hold on. I saw you want to do it.
Open the door.
I saw you and your friend want to do it. A man you find in a babes. I saw no go on when you no find man in a.
Right now, you
But
can't be
remember,
afford for them the condom.
Don't worry yourself,
right now,
man.
all of them the girl are pregnant.
Don't worry yourself, babes. Me not
Hey,
up
no
now,
man
bro.
could take shortcut, go look for me like when you go look for them girl there now. I want a one night stand here to stay long.
Babes, if man for go to prison, make them go to prison for something. Me not do it, babes.
You can't run your friend to try to prove something. You don't have no evidence. You can't even prove for yourself. Yourself wrong. Can't run this for somebody prove it.
Yeah.
Yawa.
Yeah, there's a beat.
You do it, and you.
Yes, me not get
Pack up,
it, babes.
take up like something with them. Find a look with you look with something with them or countrymen.
Yes, me not
And and get out of here.
So yo, like how you run me out now, me can't find a girl now.
Find which girl?
Eh?
Find which girl? You must want to mash out the vax.
So if you dey run me out for care man come in our place, what me fi do?
Oh, you want to see that for 4 black?
Oh man, babes, just cool man.
So after this happened,
Embassy.
and that you want to do,
Embassy.
you gotta do it long time.
Embassy always say part rider and not us, you know.
See, you tell by yourself. You're telling on yourself. You don't realize?
No, I mean,
You have to know how to tell lie.
And when me go want the pillar, me go hot. Me go want
Put on the pillar.
No bother with you, me not depend that with the tea.
Put down the pillar. More sleep on one and hug up one. Put it down.
Yes, me not. Alright.
Not like a man here, you know. Put it down. Give me a pillar. Give me a pillar. One with a square with a bag of pan. Give me one. One. You can't mix it some big unfinished heavy duty girl you go with, you know. Eh? Put them all on scale here pending. Come out. Now take out the job card, you know. One.
Yes, but
Left me fan. I broke in the car hang up in here.
it's alright, you know, but remember, you know, so you know, buck your toe. Remember,
But
so you
which
show
two?
me out, you know.
Which one of me two? None of me two them never bucket and they not buck. None of them blind. Me two of them don't stop blind from me grow big. When you look at two buck and blind, go on by your business. Go on.
Go on, follow friend, man. You hear? You know what my granny tell me, say? Friend. Me not even the bother.
Go on. Watch him. I'm gonna watch you. I mean, I'm CCTV something for you everywhere you go. When you want to go a bush, go do something with yourself. When you want to pass yourself, go on.
Me left 2 bills for this, so pass it, give me them. I'm bad.
What? Pass it 2 bills. 2 bills, yeah. Back the police. Go on. Fight back out the road, can't fight.
Yes, my money, me left the money.
Look here. It's alright.
You see, I 2 bills me take up. You need to see me have a shop key.
I'm not ready to forgive you yet. 2 weeks. Don't worry yourself.
Go down there for the business. No key.
Yet there. I don't want to go 2 weeks in that too long. 2 weeks. You.
I want different girl to go see in this bus front
Go
there.
find which girl. I'm a box.
Bet some mad out here before a year done. Alright? Alright?
I'm not even run down, you know, come run down, man. Me have asthma. True, you know. She not tell no lie upon him. I don't really want him to go ahead, though. Another day, another dollar, not true. I make second on domestic. And nothing obstacles stop me. Alright, so I put on my key.
Yeah, Father God, give thanks and praise another day. So not the blow, man. Change God. Over here, let's see if we can go get that beer there now. Hold on. Oh, she not gone yet. I wonder if I key she over there to look for. Man, go and look, man. I need with the company, I need with the good one. I need with the good one.
Alright, this one I put on my key. How me feel? What's up? Me no need fear look so much place. Alright, that's how I put on my key. Nick! Nick!
Hello, I'm about to sir.
Which part in there? I'm about to use it.
You want a shower, you know, say you should have a shower done.
What we shower? Up in this.
Hold on,
Come out of my bathroom.
Hold on, man, me a beard.
You don't know a river there a stream. When you go on stream?
I know slick up beard, me a beard, you know, my soul.
Up in this. Beard in a one. Me run you out. Beard in your RV. Beard with gas. You don't see me key?
I'm quite man, I boss.
Me never tell us every pan knock you figure dance, you know.
School, no man, I go on, so me never get to put
I feel me lotion, me lotion.
No man, I buy lotion, man. I buy me, but you don't run me out and me buy lotion. What you talk about?
You have to stay dry than white squall. But you don't see me key?
Key?
I'm here in my house. I'm going to put my key right on the table right there, son. You don't see me key?
I'm not saying no key.
So what for your key them there?
Key?
Two keys stay one place. Suppose I make mistake and take up my key.
Yeah, my key, man. Me never make mistake yet.
But two keys them always the same place. They give me key now. Give me my key, man. I don't have me key.
You know no key.
Yeah, the jingle.
You know no key, man. Sure.
Now left piece in there, no? Now left nothing. I make sure you say use the foot and wash with soap water.
Oh, no, man. I body wash me and put by my rack, man. I look at me left my body.
Come on, give me my key now, please.
No key.
Give me my key, man.
What
Me hear
me
it.
fit? I'm my key. What is that, man? If me left your place, no, man. Sure.
Give me my key.
Can't buy more color, man.
Give me my key, please. Me need to go to work.
You know have your key.
You want real sabotage, you know.
No have your key, man.
It's alright. Me something to stay here all day. And let me have spare, you know. I have you. See, trouble not set like rain, you know. Bust in your head now, you hear some wicked. Call police for him, you hear some wanting dead. Give me key, you know, Nick. Yeah, look for me. Give me key, man. You see, me see you look smart by your face, you know.
Go over there. Sure. Let me forget her key. Oh, my great man, no give her. No, wait a minute.
I don't want my key right now to go to work. Money out there waiting on me.
Yes, come
Can't
on,
make a
man.
dollar.
Get your bag and make me bring you to work, man. Eh?
Bring you to work.
You me a
Are
bring
you
to
gonna
work?
take me to work and I don't have my key?
Yes, me have something planned, man. Me
Some
bring
plan
you to
like
work.
what?
Me go cut a key for you.
Cut which key? What for what? And you have to have a key to cut it, don't?
A joke.
Like
me
it's
have
broken.
me have a key, but me have a key I got work for.
You really have me key and make me a go on, so?
Yeah, man. So you look like you want to beat me, so me have a key,
You
babe.
like when me exalt myself?
Me have a key, but...
Me cannot tell you, darling. Cannot tell you, darling.
Yeah, me have a key.
Give me the key. Yeah, stop laughing with me.
You have to keep up. Me have to make me carry a guy work
You
first.
don't take the lick.
You have to make me carry a guy work first. Make me carry a guy work and I get the key.
Alright, can me go work? Cause you want me key?
Alright, me will lock the door. Yeah, me lock it.
Don't do that, don't do me so don't do me so again, you hear?
Yeah, make me carry a guy
Jump
work.
around like happen there.
Alright, go and go lock the door.
Don't follow back of me now.
Nah, follow back.
You go for me back by myself. What you want to follow me for?
Move forward.
Oh, grab him. You see if I can kill me down here.
I see you tell me if you don't come down there. Because I would have come down and come beat up before. Alright, go and feed back, man. Go and feed back. Me not come further.
Look at me down. Yeah, don't get so.
What? Alright, go and feed back, no, man.
Kill me off here.
Alright, come on. Hey, see we are drive under.
Blasted phone. I got poison it. Get so lampy like that. I got set one sponge for you. Curry sponge me I give you.
Big stone man go give you fall, you know, but show me no one fling and liquor still, you know. Come
Where
on.
run can help me?
No, you know, say me not fi pass and me can't bother with the problem, babes.
What? And then I house here come.
Yeah, me just can't bother with the
Don't attack
problem.
me, make me breathless.
Lucky though, you can't play karate though.
Girl, why you have to behave so?
Girl, my teeth are hurt me, you know. If it is a
If
teeth, you
you
can want
didn't
easy
listen when I
something.
tell you say go on a doctor, then you wouldn't at you know.
It's so alright, it's so easy.
It's
I
so
said,
alright,
come,
it's so
you
easy.
always on and off for me, so I don't really know if we are going over. It just hurt me, if you know, kind of time, kind of chill. So, me never really talk nothing much about your man. Me ask you a question. You sure say I know you are the problem in the whole relationship?
Me? Me a problem? Him a the problem. Else me would leave. And him a the problem. If he just cooperate and do for him part and everything, you would have good.
Listen, you see you have to understand as a woman, and not everything we a man do you have to follow. Not because the man do something that simple means that you have to do it. You are a female. If things did have to do in the house, you do it. Now watch what the man do. Man not go always be man. You have to be a you see if there somebody that live like you, me and that the man they live long time. Me and Chapel would have live long time.
Girl, I understand everything what you say. But not that because that no mean say if you left everything for me alone.
You still not
At the two we
understand.
live. I understand what you say, but at the two we live. Not true with my man, that no mean say if you do nothing
So
at all.
what you mean with tell me never take up a broom yet?
Never.
That's your lie now. You tell lie now.
What me I tell life?
Yeah, the man can't def so long and not take up one broom.
Jesus Christ.
One broom.
Once in a blue moon.
At least he take up a broom, you go chat about the man not do it. Listen up, me come off for the conversation there, man, because you don't sound too right when it comes down to
Not true
relationship.
not true with my man. That no mean say enough to do nothing at all.
Me never
Not
say
true with
nothing
my
do
man.
nothing, miss. Me say if he not do it, you do it because I are the woman, that me say. If I say that go on, a man not
The
go
thing
want
is-
stay around, a man not go
Me
want
not a
you.
slave out. Some man a move like a slave he want. He move like if me fear get up and beat him. Me not into that. Sorry. Me not run a daycare
I'm
center.
come off for that topic there. Because you not sound too sensible, you don't know nothing about relationship. You know, say though, I have a job interview pick up on Monday and more have to look fresh. But I don't know no hairdresser will up in on Sunday. If I go to me hair more look fresh, you know, so I have to do it from the day before. And like how you been known in the streets.
Me? No in our streets. Me look like a white line. Eh? Or me like a street light or what you want call it? Alright, so when you reach the like crossroad down there so, you go take your left turn. You go see two shop. You see when you pass them two shop, the last turn if you take is the right turn. When you pass them two shop, the right as you pass them two shop, you go see the shop.
So how the shop look?
Okay, it's a blue shop with a green door. You can't miss. Friend, you just follow the direction when me give you. You can't miss.
Listen, just make sure say the girl can do here good.
Girl, you ever see me they said no, Skebe link.
Me no know, me have to ask.
Girl, are real people me link with good
So me
food
ask you a
people.
question, who do you hear, is she?
Yes, she same one.
Just make sure because me no in a foolishness with nobody. Here?
You know, me not tell you foolishness already.
And babes, you can follow me go set my appointment for Sunday, please. For do me here.
No say me can't come. Come if you clean on you. I go wash on your house. I look at you.
All of a sudden,
You don't see your house look?
me see a house, but all of a
If
sudden,
you don't believe me, I go prepare. Come and show you.
But,
Come now.
me smoke come here.
Alright, then don't believe me. Since you don't believe me.
What you?
Because you don't believe me, because yeah, make it look like say I come, me no want to come.
So far?
Come and tell us me I have to do a thing and you don't believe
Me
me.
just simple accept, me never say me no believe it. Me just accept I can't follow me, that's all me ask you. Honestly, you tell me no, me understand. You know what? You don't wet me up with the water, what kind of style that? You know what? Excuse me.
Give me my key now.
I don't even reach good at time.
Please give me my key. From a reach, you should have give me a key. I'm coming, you should have give me a key.
See key.
Thanks. And I'm no longer jealous of you.
Your heart come down now.
I'm no longer naive about I'm going to thick skin like a crocodile.
No worry, say baby, you go on some. Big time, man, and I'm help you.
We are for the end of it. Just spin a roll and go.
If not up,
Spin a roll.
if not
You're
up,
not
give
giving
me
us
a
money.
kiss.
You want money to play something.
If not no money to them.
The business you have to give me a hard business. You have to don't go over the yard.
Nah, no money, because if not goodbye kiss for me go and sit down and reminisce.
Alright. You know, come on back. One and I'll come back and find my way.
What time if you come for
I
you?
will find my way home. Before let me tell you different things from your life. And when you come here, you're not going to see me.
Sure. But me so forward, me know what time I left for.
Hey, no, me no.
You look so. Yeah.
Stop from doing something, excuse, no stop. What wrong with you?
Wow, you look so. You're not happy. You're not happy.
But you tell me, what make you never follow your woman go do her ear?
Tell yourself, man. The only reason why she want me come is because of the I want to hear, man.
So what make you
Look
never
what
follow
I'm so mood.
her?
You know what happened, girl.
Oh, sir. You come back and say you're Tommy.
Yeah, but you like it, girl,
Me know
play,
me I go do, me I go somewhere go take a drink. I come like I say you're
Hey,
Tommy.
look, you see, I'm somewhere.
Lord, me alone now.
You can't go somewhere nice, you know? Somewhere now.
I don't want you bring me go nowhere. Why you never follow a woman go make up appointment for do her ear? When you come come carry
Don't worry yourself, man.
But you tell us
You
them
come
boy
or you
you
not
bring
come? You come?
Which one you
Don't
go?
worry yourself, man. You're surprised. Come on, man. Come on, you want to come.
But
But
you know
what?
say, me know nobody see me here walking up.
I told that. Alright, wait a second. I'm make a link and come back here. Don't move. If soon come here. Soon come, I make a link and come back here.
Not this and tell me.
Same money.
Yeah, man, good investment, you know. Yeah, man, that me a talk about. You see it, you know, have them for rent out. You see it, the one that just coming back, you know. Yeah, man, and put some petrol in it. You see me, and I clean it up again. Get it back on the road again. You see me, I love when them clean. I mean, man, yeah, man, I say you have to deal with them, man, cause them a turn the money, you know. Jah know.
Doctor!
What you doing, Pa?
Yeah, man.
I mean, man, I'm glad to see you now.
Hey!
Yeah, man. There, me there go and clean up the machine, you see me?
You say you have a bad beast around there rent, you
I
know?
mean, man, you know, so me I talk about, man. And you want to know?
You say that one there rent too?
Oh, I mean, but you want to know? That one of my personal movements, you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that
So
one
you
of my
rent it?
personal baby, that one that come like a Susie, you see
You
me?
rent it?
Yeah, man. But you are going on now.
How much are they?
Yo, you want to know? I can tell you say my personal vehicle, this, you see me? So you want to know, you don't know, say, you want to know usually rent for a price. It's go dear, you see me, my friend?
No, man, talk your price,
So
man.
you are going. Give me a $9. Yeah. But you want a 2 day, me have to rent it for you now.
No problem, man, no problem.
Yeah, man. I mean, man.
Why not? You look clean, man.
And that me I tell you about, man. Hey, you see when them clean, you
Yeah.
better, you see. That cleanliness and godliness, you know.
You say? 9
Yeah,
a
man.
day?
Eh? 9 a day, man.
Alright,
Hold on. I know, so yo.
Yeah.
You see, everything up and running, you see me?
Yeah, man, I see saying they
Yeah,
clean,
man.
man. Like, you keep it clean. 2 days more, Tifa. You know, no, following they can't take out.
No, man, we never keep nothing in that.
Oh, good.
I'll show my personal big. Yo, yeah, hear me? Well, you take care of Susie for me.
Take care of Susie.
You know something I deal with, brother? Because yo, they not come easy, you know. And I show me rate, you know.
You know, man, I must say,
Yes,
yeah, for rate, man, your personal.
Me I tell a man, I'm a baby, this, you know, never let me down, you know, my friend. You see me? Everything up and running. Yo, you see when this a come, police never tap this yet. Just believe what me I tell you, man. So yo, just
Believe
take care
me,
of Susie for me. You see me I say?
Alright.
Yeah, just drive her here, you see me?
Yeah, man, I come check you next 2 days.
Yeah.
Alright, big up yourself, yeah?
Yeah, manners.
Alright.
Yo, yeah, hear me? Boy, me I tell you, say you want to buy 3 more of them and put on the road, you see?
Oh, okay, man, let's go on and get business,
I
man.
just say things, you see me? Remember, you know, so take care of Susie for me, you know.
Yeah, man, I take care.
Alright.
God forgive me. I'm a sister man, you know, but I don't have no man right now. And you need to do like a spending or somewhere help me out. God, I hope you forgive me. I know say if you forgive me, you know, can you forgive all heap of people. Oh, God.
It's hot, man. Current go gone in idea. Oh, God. If you could buy one generator, you know, right now a solar system, I do it. You see? I have to go buy more solar system, you know. Solar system, I want a solar system, I go get.
What should this say again? Right early. It can't be left. Cause a road. Alright, she did say no, alright. She said, well, green, green door. Green door. Green door.
Your current go gone for, man.
Green door.
How where you go? What could I call?
How you do? Listen
What
up.
happened?
Listen, now you me combo. Where here just a day?
Girl, I'm here just a man shop this and me run this city.
Which part are you?
I feel me business. Never judge a book by its cover.
You are hairdresser?
What I mean? But I'm line and balance here, you know.
So, oh, wait there. So, even if I there, you are the hairdresser, so you treat the customer them.
Me ain't my customer, you couldn't be my customer, you have beef. And matter of fact, me see you around there, so you know. Remember say me see you around there, so. Remember say you a chop like woman.
Listen to me now.
You know what the condom them, you know.
What you mean by me know about condom? Listen to me now, miss. You said me didn't know say your place, me no come here in the first place.
Look
and
here.
my sister tell me, say, if you come around there, so we find out hairdresser.
You have the money for your business anyways. Cause I'm not really me, I have nothing, I'm me and your man.
I always have
I
my
just to me
money.
see you running your man, yeah.
I always have my cash.
Set the appointment, me in a mood for you today.
You know?
For your peaceful life, you want me to here? No problem. My friend recommend you to me. I really want a good friend that, you know, who do it to?
My sister.
Your sister?
Yes, so you don't even know who are my sister.
Who your sister? We are my good friend now.
You mean good friend? So everybody that come in your shop are your good friend?
No, me have that the girl here where my friend could never be your sister. A different species gonna come from.
Listen to me, I set an appointment.
Set the appointment.
You're too feisty and fiery.
Set the appointment.
That with you.
Come on, I want to lend you something.
Lent what?
Alright, set the appointment, lady.
Lent what?
Girl, set the appointment. Where you going to take your anyways?
More put on a wig.
Put $15,000.
For what?
$10,000 for put on your $5,000 for the edges.
Listen to me, man. At $10,000 me they bring.
If you put on the wig and I get no edges.
You're not even worth $10,000 much
Put
less.
on you. I'm $1 million baby.
$1 million baby where?
Sugar baby, my name.
Sugar baby gonna look at sugar daddy that I need for
set the appointment and go on.
You see, if I never one thing, you don't come and so come book my appointment. Because I hear the only somebody up in on Sunday. I won't call my phone.
And I want
nobody call me right now.
More than two things. I may have plan A and B, always C, etc.
Listen to me now, man. Me I come Sunday, bright and early. Me I saw for go Monday morning.
Just set the appointment.
This time I need me here for buff down. And make sure see I do it good.
Girl, just have your money. You're dirty, merty, and you get what's worth.
At $10,000 me they bring.
Bring it. No edges for you then. Okay?
No edges. Me have a problem.
Long story short, go on and I can't take it talking. I'm sure to dry out.
You know what? Goodbye.
Goodbye. Make sure you come back with your money, girl. Me no business if you want to come back or you don't want to come back. Say, girl, if you have me all time, granny all time chamber. What to the girl ya? Me don't know what to the girl ya. More big like my granny old yabba pot where I used to take me blue jars. Eh? You see a boy there? He's a boy him being him could never be a man. Me say I would have lent her something, you see. Hey, thank you for being a tan. You see you? Me not left you no way. No way. Me look if she all outside and watch her listen when me a talk about. Me not take no check. Oh, you better leave the place. Run this place and run am. But now beat me in my business place. Me tell her that. Me no go no funeral homes or nothing. Me rather go to jail and station or it will feed me 3 meals a day, no bills to pay. Oh, young people tax money make them cost me. You don't watch my something, yeah. One more wish friend that. That's all I want to know.
So like I do that so. You know?
Oh, you ready?
Well, let me get me.
Kiss now.
Turn on the ice maker. Yes, Daddy Jesus, it be boring. I want to go on.
I when mom say if you no come pick her up in idea, yeah.
Time in there.
How you tell what you want me where you do so? How you do? Park up and watch me? No, sir. You put on me sitting there. Look like you don't go nowhere.
Lock the door. Yes, that's cool, man.
Me lucky.
Put the bag on the front seat.
Put back my bag where you get it. Put back my bag where you get it. Because you come like a park up and watch me whole time.
Come on, man. How was the day today?
Like you don't go home.
How was the day today?
Like you don't sleep. So best
Come
you
on.
park up in your car sleep.
I'm not sleep, man. Come on. Go on my bus. How was the day?
Me day was no worry about me day.
Go on in our bus, man.
Me not come now.
You're not tired? Go on in the bus, man. When you go in the bus, we talk.
Where you park up and watch me for?
You know I watch your babe. Just school, man. Timing, man.
No, you come like you park up and watch me.
Come on, man.
How's me like a shop so you reach out?
Tell us
I can't jump me door. Give me my bag.
Go in the bus, man. Sure.
We don't know. Where did you park up and watch me?
Oh, man. Me tell me I come for you, man. Tell us me I come for you.
You stayed right here. You didn't go nowhere.
Wow, go on, my friend. Everything alright?
Why am I glad to see you? I'm just me if you go put down this year.
Yeah, man, I know.
Fax, what is going on?
My life has changed. I am a changed man now.
That is very good to know.
I don't one and two people know me. I leave me alone when I see kids, you know.
No change about me.
I don't tell nobody.
Come, we could do it quick.
Oh, we do it quick. We do it fast.
Come here.
I don't man see me see her that boat, you know.
You know my special already.
Yeah, man, I like that, man.
Talk to me, what go on?
Why? Yeah, walk the place, you know.
Wait.
Yeah.
Take a seat.
I walk the place. You can see me take up the pastor job. For the disguise. For free. So I can hide out and see what go on in our village.
Yeah, sit down.
Yeah, man. I see who buy car, who buy bus.
Yes.
You understand?
Well, I'm going to hide off me secret to all the weed me have to put on there.
You know, you're good.
Everything, yeah. Alright. No, you say, go on. So, come in, Vanny, no?
One your business. Can't carry him funny. You understand?
Alright, pass.
It's a one man thing. You
Me have to go join church soon, then.
Yeah, man. If we not join church, you make your money legally. Yeah. Other than me get one little friend, you know, but not much. But you see, if I one, too many. You understand? So if I want to know, we just want to go in a square and put up one tent and buy 2 chairs and look donation. That means a donation of family and food for the poor.
This year. What you say? How does that go on? Talk somebody there so far? Yeah, if you came in funny, I don't care where you want. So
Chicks and cheering matches back.
Me on transfer and start with frack.
Yes, you start with frack, you got church.
Tap be drinking and something.
All of them something there. Yeah. And you find one decent man.
Me have them enough.
You have them enough? Alright. No, you have them enough.
Me I learn how to get tap. Now I'm glad this argument is sweet so. Nobody that's in Magnum, nobody want to drink. What you say? Talk to me, baby.
Say yo. Free all the place, you know? Yeah. All the spot. We can build one church. And start collecting our friend. You know that? Yeah. And then you see after I get the whole of the money and everything, we just run off. And then we change up again. Feel like I want to turn police next to them.
You can't say you. We. Let me say more and join here talk about you.
No, you can come in what they call it?
So
deacon.
we are going now?
Deacon, yeah. You can come in deacon in the church.
But I see you don't know if the woman can deacon to the truth.
Woman can deacon.
Me will fit it for me can look it for you know
check
worry.
the Bible if you know the Bible there.
Kakafat.
So, what's in the Bible, that's true?
Yes, in a hit.
You like
Everything in there.
Everything in there.
But anyway, this is your buy. Yeah, man. That's how business big.
Yeah, but at church, I mean the parts I preach.
I long
When he
time
said,
church,
Jesus walk, he said with money. And then he said, and him buy the bread, but he have to use money.
Yes.
So if you come at church, you have to bring
money.
So
every day in believe say really work.
It work.
It work. When you meet you, when you go link up, what happen about that?
We go link up, man. Don't worry yourself. Me I go and pray, me I go in the street, make people know my face like more. Can me save 2 life, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I give you some condom and something and save 2 life.
So this argument, we have to take a sip.
Take a
It's
sip.
too strong for me. On the, no, sir. Church business is a hot business, bossy. Hi.
You like it? Well, I know me and money have to buy it and see, you know we can't all suck money.
I don't understand if you can't talk to me, you know.
So you like everything so far?
Yeah, alright.
I mean, what? What?
When you supposed to do this, you know?
Palm to you, man. I'm not regular day, man. Look, man. You have a vibes in my life. So me just make a move, I understand. Just keep it a secret, man. Remember the cartel you talking. Just keep it a secret. Nobody knows to know.
Keep a secret. I talk about the fact that you're my sister, man. I don't even know how I get caught up in this, man.
Because of the good life. That's how a man should treat a woman nice. Look, your sister look nice.
So I look nice too.
Yeah, you look nice. But you know your sister is slim. And look how she have body now. Because I'm not afraid to give her everything. I treat her nice. And that's the thing.
That's good.
Of course that's good. The thing your sister would let me. You're not going to do that. Because I know that anything she want, she going to get.
So if you find out about this and I feel like she left you?
That's the point. That's why I tell you. Don't show no sign.
I could have shown a sign. You're crazy. I'm to show a sign. So my sister live good. If your mama show me my sister, I don't even know. Oh, make it just so. But
You relax yourself, man. Things do happen.
you know, long me not get the treatment. Yeah.
And that, man. Look, alright. Look. You can get better treatment.
No, you want more than me right now.
So, little thing that will go on. You like it, that's true. Like calm and gently.
Let me keep going ask that now.
It's like this feel like say milk already, you know?
Or yourself.
It's all for stupid chat today, baby.
Hey, nice puppy. I saw you feel living up. You see it, babes? Hey, boy, I saw you on it. You see it, babes? You see it? You saw them boy, you
get some dumb stroke.
Eh? Them boy are Judas. Me tell you, I got Jesus slippers.
see him. Jesus. That means I believe you do, you know. That means I believe you do, you know.
Babes, just go now, man. You don't want no more evidence than that, could it?
So, I fear them. I fear two out of them. I fear two out of them.
Babes, don't listen. Don't listen, babes.
We don't listen to him. We don't listen to none of them.
Hold on.
But we sure somebody tell him want to see him. Yes, sir.
Babes, I know that a girl went in our bus, you know.
People want to get money without cheese.
Babes, I know that a girl went in our bus.
Talk it to him now, man. Tell Panny. Talk to him. Tell Panny. Tell me truth now, now.
Don't listen to him, babes.
Tell me truth.
Don't Nicholas. Because we are friends, we're not far from a friend.
No, we're not in this.
Choppy, come on now. I'm stopping and chatting to the people. We can't chat, so.
Tell you, you don't believe me.
Suppose me go show me sister like this.
I want you, man. We're going to deal with it, man.
What do you mean by you want to deal with?
We're going to link you, man. We're going to delete it. I want you, man. We're not going to make your sister see. Come on.
I better make sure you don't stop and dead.
But I relax, man. Leave with the business. I want you, man. Come on, man.
Somebody go on there, so.
Choppy bread butter 2 side and pan 4 hunger.
I want to hear, son. I want to feel them.
Yeah.
Well, tax. You can't finish drinking one Guinness now. Big Guinness.
Remember, you can't keep calling me taxing.
Me know you say.
You must have name change now. Pastor Ramsey.
Sorry.
Yes.
Sorry.
Yeah, you know.
You have to play the part in time.
You have to play the part.
Pastor Ramsey.
If a class, I'm a taxing, the police are coming to me, you know. That man, I want to know if I'm a thief to go them. Look. You can't, baby.
Alright, Pastor.
You can't. No, don't come back.
Tax.
No.
Good evening, good evening.
Hi, hello.
Give me a special, you know. Oh, yeah.
Chicken fat over there, J White.
Sing it on like this.
Hot or cold, darling?
Cold.
I had to work, the fridge plug out.
I'm pulling here.
Hey. Wait. You boy, me know you ain't no boy.
Me?
Me know you, man, me know you. Hey, my friend.
Speak to me.
What's the matter about?
I'm Malta this, that's all.
Yes.
I'm
What
Malta.
about?
Yes,
Yeah, I'm
Marcy.
Malta. What for the people?
Last time we checked a Guinness right on the back of
I
the
am
in there, I am deceive you.
I am deceive you. Jesus, you can't. You cannot tell the pastor say my drink from. Hey, you, I know you.
What a pasta!
Don't tell the pastor say my drink from. You, the last time I see you, say one different woman.
Me, pastor!
You,
Me!
Where's it?
have the condom on the gear.
Me!
Take yourself.
Eh?
Yes, him. Are you a woman? Can I say married, you know? Are you?
No.
And are you?
Me never know say
What are you doing at church?
Hey, don't say my hey, don't talk about this. This boy don't move. Hear this up.
Oh, you go to church, pastor? Okay.
Young girl,
Pastor.
young girl, I'm gonna save the soul. You see, Father gave me a save soul, you know. And I get him blessing. So you see, God just turned all spirit into one. Hey! What's your friend?
Pastor, sit down. Sit down.
Pastor, sit down.
No money.
Rest yourself.
Rest yourself, Pastor.
You want to go to come and now.
Sit down,
You want to go to
Pastor.
come. Hear me, I say. Young girl,
No, sir.
look in your life.
I have to go take a walk.
What in my life?
And see? Crosses. Crosses.
My sister should have tell that to
Rubbish. You feel saying you need a one-sided man. Yeah, next side man.
Sir!
Pastor!
Oh yeah, say man.
Pastor,
I know me
stop.
man.
And then man.
What happened? Oh, stop it. Oh,
Mix up.
stop, Pastor. Stop telling lie, me.
Remember you know.
Then what a pastor could have tell lie.
You know Pastor, you know Pastor Larry.
Larry.
You know Pastor Larry.
Are your sister man?
Yes.
Him a look you. I feel like one look you. Watch it. See what happen hand? Don't trust him. I hear? Don't trust him. I know who's somebody.
You know say me didn't even bother want to be here there.
Yes, don't trust
Me
him.
didn't even bother want to be here there. Me I go tell my sister man.
Left him. Come here. Come here. Go on, let the girl.
Pastor, hear me now.
You myself. Come
Yeah,
here.
hey!
Hey! No worry. You're alright, my friend.
Yes, Pastor Ram. You want to get exalt yourself. Sit down by now when you go out and
I want
man.
to see the little
Greet
girl.
at church, man.
And this parasite.
Hello, before you leave, give me for me liquor.
No, you know my thing.
No, sir.
Come here.
Easy,
You have to
easy,
go.
come here, sir.
Pastor, we have to go now. You have to go.
You're going to see up on the road. There's some see up on the road.
Hi, remember, hi, hello.
Listen, sir.
You know my thing already, man.
See you. Alright, my friend.
Kind of Pastor, you know right. So,
Who the right?
you know, we can check, yeah.
Ram this.
Hey, girl.
Left here.
When you just watch your back. Watch your back. I hear? Believe and watch your back. Hey.
Yeah, go chat.
I wanna them when they preach too.
Because the man gonna pay me to you should make
No
man
one
pay
said
me
we
first.
cover the
You
bill,
start
man.
preach, Pastor.
We cover the bill, but we can't get this Jew. We can't make it come in and realize.
Who want believe in you, but Pastor remember say, hey, me have to keep your secret too, you know.
Yeah.
Hey, man.
But we can't make him come and realize.
You know, so about him, man. But it's okay if you want before the film come in.
Tear off this one now, yeah, man.
Cause that should have tear off when the
Far,
film
far
come in, yeah.
first.
What do you go tell him about the money part? We get it to I'm not bother with the phone, you know, man.
Yeah.
And there's a secret.
Yeah, I don't know for only one. It's when the money come, the money share.
Alright. What's the fact?
Alright. So maybe I go circle. Drink it out.
Finish it, because I can't keep her out of the road. I build all the feed, yeah.
Oh, glad. Let me see. Oh, look.
Give me here.
Let me see what me have.
Me have that no pass, I say money are coming in here.
Remember, say me have this. Remember, I'm still a house, you know.
Alright, no sell
Yeah,
out.
I'm still a house.
Some money though. Take care of Pastor Ramsey.
Really?
Yes.
Pastor Ramsey.
Nah forget.
No forget.
Never will I. Uncle India we can't say tax on your load. No say fat.
Oh.
Give me. Donnie. Come on, back your buckle. Back your buckle gone now. Alright, take care of yourself.
Yeah, man, viewers and subscribers, I don't know, say come to the end of the movie. And as you know, look out for part 3. You understand? Thank you all for tuning in, for continuously supporting us. They are the right. Look out.